here we have formation of a cone from a sector, and we said that the length of the arc is equal to the what? Base circumference. So it therefore means that the length of arc, what is the formula for length of arc? Theta over 360, right? Times what? 2 pi r, because the part of the circumference. We said this r becomes the what? Radius of, it becomes the radius of what? The large circle. Do you understand? Because the arc is from the circle. And it is equal to what? We said it's equal to what? The base circumference. What is the base circumference of a cone? The base circumference, we said it is what? 2 pi what? R. What's the base circumference? We said 2 pi r, right? So from this calculation, we can say that 2 pi will cancel what? 2 pi. So r is equal to what? Theta r over what? 360, which is also equal to theta what? L over 360. Because r is equal to what? L. Remember, is the radius of the large circle that will give us what? The slant length. We can also say that r, the capital R, is equal to what? 360 r over what? Theta. Do you understand that? So therefore, it therefore means we can also say that from this calculation, we can also say that r over r is equal to what? Theta over what? 360. That is the ratio of the radius of the cone to that of the sector, or the circle, is equal to what? The ratio of the angle to 360. We can say that. And we can also say that the height of the cone, since this slant length is r, and this is radius r, so we can say the height of the cone, the height when the cone is formed, h, is equal to what? Square root of what? R squared minus what? R squared, which is equal to square root of what? L squared minus what? R squared. We can make both deductions. Very important deductions. Let's take an example of a question. Here we are told that the sector of a circle, so let us withdraw the sector of radius what? 7 centimeters. Do you understand this? Subtends an angle of what? 210 degrees at the center. Now, with this information we have, when the sector has been folded, it's going to form a cone. So we have a cone here. We can draw a cone, obviously smaller, and the cone will be of this nature. We can call this angle what? We can call this alpha, and this what? Alpha. Meaning, alpha plus alpha gives you the angle that is subtended by the cone. Here we have the radius of the cone here, and this is what? 7 centimeters. We already know that. Now, the first thing we need to do is to find the radius. We said that the radius, r, small r, is equal to what? The radius r is equal to what? Is equal to what? Theta, which is 210 times what? 7 over what? 360. 0 cancel 0. 3 here is equal to what? 7. 3 here is what? 12. That will give us what? 49 over what? 12. And by calculation, 49 over 12 is equal to that's equal to 4.08 centimeters. It means the radius of the cone that is formed is 4.08 centimeters. The next thing we'll look at is the height of the cone. For us to get the height of the cone, we said the height of the cone by calculation is equal to what? The square root of the difference between the slant length and the what? Radius of the cone. And we've already gotten the radius of the cone. So permit me to use this part of the board. We're going to have something of this nature. We said h is equal to what? Roots. So therefore h is equal to what? The slant length is what? Which is the radius, r. That's what? 7 squared minus 4.08 squared. So that will give us 5.69 centimeters. So the slant length is what? 5.69 centimeters. The next thing we're going to find is what? The total surface area. Total surface area. And we said the total surface area is what? By calculation we said it is 2 pi r plus what? 2 pi r plus what? R plus times r plus what? L. Because we have 2 pi r squared plus what? R plus L. Do you understand? That's the total surface area. That is the area of the base, circle here, and what? The area of the cone, the slant part of the cone. And that will give us 2 times what? By calculation, we have 2 times 22/7 times what? The radius is what? 4.08 times what? 4.08 plus 7. So by this calculation we have here 2 times 22, that's 4.08 and that will give us what? 284.15 centimeters squared. That's question C. The next part we're asked to find the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone. And we said that volume of the cone is equal to what? Who can remind me? Volume of the cone is equal to what? Pi 1/3 what? Pi r squared h. And that will give us what? 1/3 times 22/7. R is equal to what? 4.08 squared times the height. The height we got was what? 5.69. So when we look at this, this will give us give us 99.23 centimeter cube. And lastly, we're asked to find the what? Vertical angle. So let's cut one part of this cone out. We'll cut one part of the cone out. We're going to have something of this nature, right? And this is the angle we call alpha. And since this is 7 centimeters, by calculation this is 5.69. 5.69. Then we're looking for what? The angle here. And the radius here is what? The radius here, 4.08. Okay? So if we're looking for alpha, sine of alpha is equal to opposite over what? Hypotenuse. That's 4.08/7. Therefore alpha is equal to sine inverse 4.08 divided by 7 is 0.58. So alpha is sine inverse of 0.58. So we have this sine inverse of 0.58 to be 35.65 degrees. Now once we know alpha, we can say that vertical angle is equal to alpha. Remember there are 2 of alpha, which is what? 2 times 35.65. And that will give us 71.30 degrees as our answer. So that is what we look at when we are converting a sector to a cone. In our next class, we will look at a pyramid and a fulcrum.